So dear learners, you have learned some very basic expressions, Arabic sentences for greetings. Now I am going to give you some more expressions, and this is a way of practicing, the same thing, whatever you have learned, you will practice here. But I think that part was not very difficult for you, so I will give a little bit, different expression which you can use in your ordinary life situation, and you can have a better conversation in Arabic with your friend. Okay, so suppose you start Assalamu alaikum Khalid, wa alaikum assalam Hamid. Okay, suppose your friend, you are two friends, Khalid, Hamid. So he's saying Assalamu alaikum Khalid, and the reply wa alaikum assalam Hamid. And the next question is Hal turidu shay? Hal turidu shay? Hal turidu shay? And the reply is Naam uridu shay. Naam uridu shay. So you have learned the word Naam and La. Naam means yes, La means no in Arabic. So Hal turidu shay? Do you want tea? Naam uridu shay. Yes, I want tea. Okay. Similarly, Hal turidul qahwa? Hal turidul qahwa? And the reply will be same. Naam uridul qahwa. Uridul qahwa. Hal turidul qahwa? Naam uridul qahwa. So you have learned Hal turidu shay? Naam ana uridu shay. Okay, if somebody says in Arabic Hal turidu shay, so if you want to have a cup of tea, you will certainly say Naam uridu shay. And if if the person is asking you Hal turidul qahwa, and you want to have a cup of coffee, you will say Naam ana uridul qahwa, or simple Naam. Okay, and if you don't want to have it, okay, so you can say La. Okay, Hal turidul qahwa? La, and then you will say uridu shay, means I want to have tea, or uridu kuban min ash-shay, I want to have a cup of tea. Okay, so this way you can express your desire, and you can have what you want. So dear learners, in this lecture you are learning some very important Arabic expressions. These expressions are very important and useful for you, so learn it and enjoy it. So you have learned Hal turidu shay? Naam ana uridu shay. Hal turidu al-qahwa? La uridu shay faqat. Or Naam uridu shay. If you want to have the tea, you will say Naam uridu shay. If you don't want to have, you will say La. And you will say uridu shay faqat. I want to have only tea. Means you don't want to have coffee. Okay, so you can answer with Naam and La, and if you want to further explain to your friend, okay, about what you want, then you will say uridu shay, uridul qahwa, or whatever you want. Okay, uridul ma, uridul ta'am, or whatever. Okay, you will certainly explain to your friend. Now the next expression is Aina turid al-qahwa? Aina turid? Okay, so turid, Aina means, Aina is interrogative word. Aina means where. Turid means you want. Turid is with irada. Irada means intention. Turid means your intention. So, or you want. Aina turid? Where do you want? Aina turid? Al-qahwa is coffee. So, Aina turid al-qahwa? Where do you want to have coffee? Where do you want to have coffee? Okay, your friend is asking you أين تريد القهوة? Okay, your friend is Khalid and Khalid is asking you أين تريد القهوة? Where do you want to have coffee? And you, suppose you are Hamid and you are replying أريد القهوة في المقهى. I want to have coffee in coffee house. I want to have coffee in coffee house. Okay, so on the same pattern, suppose your friend Khalid is asking you أين تريد الطعام? أين تريد الطعام? Where do you want to have food? Where do you want to have food? So you means Hamid, you are Hamid and you are replying أريد الطعام في المطعم. أريد الطعام في المطعم. I want to have food in the restaurant. I want to have food in the restaurant. So you are replying this. Then شكرا يا صديقي Khalid. You are saying شكرا يا صديقي Khalid. Oh my friend Khalid, thank you. Or thank you my friend Khalid. Or شكرا يا صديقي. Need not mention the name. You simply say شكرا يا صديقي. Or just شكرا, thank you, شكرا. And the reply again will be عفوا يا حامد. يا عفوا حامد. يا عفوا simple. عفوا means you are welcome. You are welcome. So, dear learners, in this important lecture, you have learned some of the very common and important Arabic expressions. Now, just practice some of the words that you have learned. Expressions you have learned how to communicate, but of course, you have used some very important Arabic words. So, let's repeat it again. Just you will guess the meaning. I will not tell the meaning. You will guess. I will just read. I will just say the word and you will guess the meaning. Okay, so I am saying one by one and try to follow me the way I am saying. You will repeat. Okay, so the words I am mentioning to you. The word is al-mat'am. 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 I am not giving you the meaning. Al-mat'am. Try to find the meaning from the expression. And that is a kind of test. That is a kind of how much you are able to recall. The meaning. So al-mat'am. Can you give the meaning? Yes, you can. Just try it. Al-mat'am. Al-mat'am. And next word is ash-shay. 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 Ash-shay means tea. Ash-shay means tea. Okay, I have given you the meaning, but I am supposed to not give you the meaning because ash-shay is very obvious. Shy. And this we have used ash-shay, al-qahwa. Next word is al-qahwa. Al-qahwa. So try to say the way I am saying al-qahwa, not kahwa, no, qaf. Correct Arabic pronunciation is al-qahwa. 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 Now next is al-ma. 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 Al-ma is water. I will give. Perhaps I have not used this word, so I am giving you the meaning. Al-ma is water. Al-ma is water. So at-ta'am. 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 Okay, guess the meaning. At-ta'am. It is not ta. It is to. To. At-ta'am. At-ta'am. Now the next word is na'am. 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 And la. 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 Next word is al-halwa. Al-halwa. This is the word. Okay, we have not used this word, so I am giving the meaning. Al-halwa is sweet. Sweet. It's not a particular kind of dish that you prepare or you get prepared at your home. Okay. Al-halwa in Arabic is halwa. Halwa is any kind of sweet. For sweet in Arabic, the word is al-halwa. Al-halwa. Now the next word is al-halib. Al-halib is milk, and another word is al-fakiha, fruit. We are giving you some important Arabic expressions related to ordinary life situations. We have given you several important expressions, especially expressions related to greetings, means how you greet somebody in Arabic. So you start with Assalamu alaikum and the next person says Wa alaikum assalam, or Marhaban bikum, or simple Marhaba, and the next person says Ahlan wa sahlan, and then you start saying Hal turidu shay, and the person says Naam ana uridu shay, and or you say Hal turidu al-qahwa, and the next person says Naam ana uridu al-qahwa. All these expressions, dear learners, you have learned. Now I am going to focus on a slightly different, a slightly different type of expressions, and the way you have learned it, I think, is helpful for you to learn these expressions as well. So dear learners, I am going to give you some more expressions related to this, but in a different way. You will find these expressions very helpful in learning Arabic language. I have helped you practice some important Arabic words like al-mat'am, al-shay, al-qahwa, al-ma, al-ta'am, or na'am, la, al-halwa, al-halib, al-fakiha. Okay, better you start with a simple one like na'am, la, and then al-shay, al-qahwa, then al-ma, al-ta'am, then al-mat'am, and al-halwa, al-halib, al-fakiha. Okay, now I am going to give you some more expressions which start with hal. Hal means again interrogative word. Hal turidu shay? Hal turidu shay? And the answer is Naam ana uridu shay. Okay. Hal turidu shay means you are asking to your friend, Hal turidu shay? Do you want to have tea? And your friend is replying Naam, means yes, ana uridu shay, I want to have tea. So see the hal turid, or your friend, you have visited your friend and he or she is saying hal turidu shay, do you want to have tea? And you are replying Naam ana uridu shay, yes, I want tea, I want to have tea. If you want to say ana uridu, I want to have a cup of tea, so Naam ana uridu kubam min ash-shay, or you are asking your friend hal turidu kubam min ash-shay. Kub is cup. Kub, it's not difficult to remember. Cup, pa, and here ba. So cup, C-U-P, cup, and here kub, it's very much similar. It's so you can easily remember this word cup, kub. Cup means kub means cup. So you can add cup. Do you want to have a cup of tea? You want to have a cup of, this way you say in English. And here in Arabic, again in the same fashion, hal turidu kubam min ash-shay? Hal turidu kubam min ash-shay? And the reply is Naam ana uridu kubam min ash-shay. Naam ana uridu kubam min ash-shay. Okay, means do you want to have a cup of tea? Yes, I want to have a cup of tea. And I am saying you again and again, then this is ha, the sound is ha, hal. It's not ha, hal, no, hal. Correct pronunciation is hal, ha, hal. So hal turidu shay? Naam ana uridu shay. You have learned this. Now again, hal turidu al-qahwa? Al-qahwa, again qaf. Focus on this, qaf. So hal turidu al-qahwa? Hal turidu al-qahwa? Naam نعم أنا أريد القهوة أنا أريد القهوة أنا أريد القهوة. Now in the same way you will ask your friend هل تريد الماء هل تريد الماء الماء. Do you remember? الماء means water. الماء is water, you know. So هل تريد الماء هل تريد الماء. Do you want to have water? And suppose your friend is not interested in having water, he will say or she will say لا لا أنا أريد الطعام أنا أريد الطعام. لا means لا means she or he is not interested in having water. So but he or she is interested in having something, and what is that? That is food. So he or she will reply la, first negating that no, I don't want to have water, but what do I want to have? That is food. So la and pause, la, and then next أنا أريد الطعام أنا أريد الطعام means I want to have food. I want to have food. Okay. So this way. Now the next expression هل تريد الحلوى هل تريد الحلوى. Suppose you are asking your friend that do you want to have sweets. Okay. هل تريد الحلوى الحلوى ha. Again, you know, be very particular about this ha. The sound is, you know, little most of you might have, you know, practiced it in the previous lectures, but still, you know, I am reminding you to be careful and say ha, always ha. So هل تريد الحلوى هل تريد الحلوى, and your friend is saying la means no, and then again your friend is saying أنا أريد الحليب أنا أريد الحليب, or أنا أريد الحليب أنا أريد الحليب. I want to have milk. I want to have milk. Now the next expression is هل تريد العصير. Suppose you are asking your friend, do you want to have العصير, and what is العصير? العصير is juice. So هل تريد العصير, do you want to have juice? You are asking your friend, and your friend is replying نعم, yes, أنا أريد العصير, I want to have juice. Okay. So again, in the same fashion you are learning, you know, same kind of expressions, and the intention is to help you learn these expressions very well. Now the next is هل تريد البيتزا, and what is pizza? Pizza. In fact, the word is pizza in English. Pizza. Many of you might have heard used, and you are familiar with this word. That is pizza. Pizza in English, pizza in Arabic. That is al-pizza. Perhaps it is from English. It has, you know, through the process what we call ta'rib and or Arabization. This has become al-pizza because we do not have that sound pa in Arabic. Pa, instead of pa, here we have ba. So pizza has become pizza. Okay. It's not very difficult to remember. You know, you can easily relate it. So هل تريد البيتزا لا again your friend is saying لا is no. أنا أريد الخبز I want bread or loaf. Okay, I want bread. So your friend is not interested in having pizza, but is interested in having bread. Okay, so this way هل تريد البيتزا لا. Okay, and if he or she is interested, she or she will certainly say نعم, means yes, أنا أريد البيتزا. Okay, so this way, dear learners, you are learning the use of hal. okay, and how with this, the help of hal, you are forming so many important, common sentences, very important expressions, and you are able to communicate with your friend, with your family, or with somebody who is near and dear to you easily, okay. So all these words are really very important. Always remember hal turid, okay, hal turid, do you want, hal turidul ma, hal turidul shay, hal turidul qahwa, hal turidul ta'am, hal turid, okay. And the reply always will be ana uridu shay, ana uridu ta'am, ana uridu qahwa, ana uridu ma. Or the person replying may even simply drop ana, simple urid, forget ana, uridul ma, uridu shay, uridu ta'am, uridu. Or even drop urid, simple say shay, al qahwa, al ma. Even if you are saying the word, you are not speaking the sentence, still you are able to communicate, convey your intention, convey the meaning ki you want to have tea or coffee or water or food or whatever, okay, with the word, simple word, by using a shay, al qahwa, al ma, al ta'am, okay. So dear learners, this way you are able to speak Arabic language without much difficulty. Now the next expressions, same, in the same mode, we are going to say slightly different type of expressions, but which start with mada. You have learned hal, and you have formed so many sentences. You have, I hope you have practiced it with your friend. Now you are going to use mada. Mada turid, what do you want? And the reply always will be uridul halib, I want milk. Mada turid, uridul halib, okay. So mada, what do you want? There was hal turidul ma, do you want to have water? Hal turidu shay, okay. When you had to form some long sentence, you started using hal turidul ma, and here simple, you are not any forming very long sentence, just interrogative word mada and then the verb maza turid, okay, what do you want? And the answer or reply is uridul halib, I want milk. Maza turid, again question maza turid, okay. With your friend you are saying, asking the question maza turid, okay, what do you want? And your friend is replying uridul ma, I want water, okay. Similarly, you are asking again your friend maza turid, and your friend is replying uridu taham, at-taham, okay. And in the same way, you are asking your friend maza turid, and your friend is replying uridu shay, okay. And then you are asking maza turid, your friend is saying uridu qahwa, okay. So see, question maza turid and answer with urid, okay. Maza turid and urid, and then the thing that you want, uridul ma, uridu ta'am, uridu shay, uridul qahwa, urid, whatever, okay, whatever you want. Urid is a very important and common Arabic verb which you can use wherever you want. Whatever you want, you can say urid, okay. And the root, it starts with irada. Irada means intention, as I have earlier told you. Now urid is very important. Use it as much as you can, and use it for anything that you want, okay. Urid. And for somebody, if you want others intention, so you can maza turid, what is your intention, what do you want, okay. And that person will reply uridu shay, uridul qahwa, uridu ta'am, and all that, okay. So this way, dear learners, you can practice, okay, with a group of your friends, or at least two persons, okay. One person will ask the question maza turid, and the next person will reply uridu shay. One person will say maza turid, the next person will say uridul qahwa, okay. One person will say maza turid, and the next person will say uridu alma, okay. So this way you can have very important and interesting interaction in Arabic with your friend, and you are enjoying it, you are learning it, okay. So dear learners, I am going to give you some more simple sentences but little bit longer one, but they are not very difficult. Since you have learned all these words and you are familiar with the expressions, so it will not be difficult at all for you to learn all these important expressions. I am just adding one word, one letter, wow. It's called wow. While learning the alphabet, you have learned this one, wow. But so wow is very important because it appears to be one alphabet, but it has a meaning and very important meaning. Okay, it's wow al-atf. It's called connects. It connects the two words. So ash-shay wal qahwa. What is the meaning of this? Ash-shay, al-qahwa, and if I'm adding, putting wow between these two, ash-shay wal qahwa, will there? What would be the meaning? In fact, can you guess it? Yes, you can. Ash-shay wal qahwa. Tea and coffee. Wow means and. So now the question is, hal turidu ash-shay wal qahwa? Okay. Till now you have learned the sentence like hal turidu ash-shay, hal turidu al-ma, hal turidu at-ta'am, all these kind of sentences. Now you are speaking hal turidu ash-shay wal qahwa. Do you want to have tea and coffee? Okay, and your friend is replying naam, yes, ana uridu ash-shay wal qahwa. I want to have tea and coffee. Okay, now the next you are asking the question hal turidu al-ma wa at-ta'am. Do you want water and food? And your friend is saying la means no. Ana urid, or simple urid al-halib wal-fakiha, means I want milk and fruit. I want milk and fruit. Your friend is saying this. Okay, so hal turidu al-asir wal-halwa. Do you want juice and sweet? Okay, both. And your friend saying naam, yes, ana uridu al-asir wal-halwa. I want both of these. Ana uridu al-asir. I want juice and sweet. Okay, so wow, you see how wow is connecting two words, ash-shay wal qahwa, al-ma wa at-ta'am, al-halib wal fakiha, al-asir wal halwa. Okay, so this way, this word, this wow is how important wow is and how it is connecting these two words. Now again you are asking your friend hal turidu al-khubz wal aruz. Okay, do you want bread and rice? Do you want bread and rice both? Okay, you want, and your friend is saying naam, ana uridu al-khubz wal aruz, ana uridu al-khubz wal aruz. I want bread and rice. Ana uridu al-khubz wal aruz. So dear learners, in this important lecture you have learned some common important Arabic expressions which starts with maza turid and then hal turid. Okay, you are able to distinguish between these two kind of sentences after practicing it. So just keep on practicing it, keep on listening it as much as you can. You will certainly gain a lot. So let's hope it becomes a very exciting journey for you, and best wishes for your learning. Ma'as salama. Shukran.